Ever wondered when is the best time to post on social media? Well, you're not alone. In our quest to conquer the digital world, timing is everything. It's not just about what you post, but when you post. That's right, strategic timing can significantly impact your visibility, engagement, and ultimately, your success on social media. Think of it as a digital dance. We're all trying to step in rhythm with the algorithm, and that rhythm changes from platform to platform. For instance, your Instagram followers might be most active during lunch breaks, while your LinkedIn audience might be scrolling during the commute. Each platform has its unique peak times, and understanding these can be the game changer you've been looking for. So, what if there was a way to pinpoint the best time to post on your social media? Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the world of algorithm-friendly posting times in the next scenes. The answer lies within the algorithm. Did you ever wonder how social media platforms decide what content to show you? It's all about algorithms, the complex mathematical formulas that sift through vast amounts of data to present the most relevant content to each user. These algorithms are like the puppet masters behind the scenes. They decide what you see, when you see it, and even how often you see it. And one of their favorite tricks, they favor posts that receive immediate engagement. That's right. If your post receives likes, comments, or shares right after it's posted, the algorithm takes notice and pushes your content to more users. This makes the timing of your post crucial. It's not just about posting, it's about posting at the right time. We call this the algorithm-friendly posting time. Now that we understand the importance of timing and its relation to algorithms, how can we identify these perfect posting times? Identifying your prime time is easier than you might think. It's all about understanding your audience's habits. Here's how you can do it. Most social media platforms come with built-in analytics tools. These are your best friends in this quest. They provide insights into when your audience is most active and receptive. This could be early in the morning when they're sipping their first cup of coffee, or late at night when they're winding down. However, remember that the best posting time is not a one-size-fits-all concept. It might vary depending on the platform you're using, whether it's Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, or others. The type of content you're posting also plays a role. Is it a thought-provoking article, a catchy infographic, a heartwarming video? Your specific audience's preferences matter too. With these insights, you can leverage strategic timing to increase your visibility, engagement, and success on social media. Remember, the key is to experiment, analyze, and adapt.